Srimati Vijaya Satyanath.
Thank you. Extremely thankful to our Honorable Chairman for giving us these few times to share our experience, to share the joy, to share and give you a lot of thanks to express. I couldn't express in a few words, but I would like to thank, first of all, I thank my Lord Almighty for His love endureth forever. With a genuine demand that my nation should recognize the greatest leader of our nation, Puratchi Thalavi Amma, to be bestowed upon her the Bharat Ratna, I express my gratitude to my tallest leader, my mentor, Dr. Puratchi Thalavi Amma, for sending me here to this greatest forum, for reposing the great faith, and she also sent me to the United Nations Security Council, and also
General Assembly.
Yeah, General Assembly. And it's a great faith that she had on me to transform me as a purposeful human being for serving this nation, and as an MP, and served for 2 generations for the welfare of the blind brethren. My family has stood for the cause of the disabled all these years, and I will continue their service totally, dedicatedly for the human services to the blind children. I wholeheartedly thank our Vice President of India, my dear Chairman, for continuously supporting me, giving me all the enthusiasm, giving me the support throughout, and that has inspired me a great level. I've also been in the ad hoc committee for the children who are being affected by pornography, and to do something we wanted to do. The nation has to bring a law, stringent law, to completely ban the explicit materials being exposed to the children. And finally, I remember with gratitude Shri Arun Jaitley ji. Once he called me and said, "Madam, you spoke well." That was a great encouragement, which I deem it as a great honor. And I also, his congratulations really meant so much to me. I also, Nadda ji, Nirmala Sitharaman ji, Prakash Javadekar ji, Smriti Irani ji, and Jairam Ramesh ji. He has done, always he'll put up his hands like this and say, yes, is a constant encouraging. And Sitaram Yechuri, I've learnt a lot from him. The leader of the House, the leader of the opposition, I've learnt a lot from them. The Secretary General, the Secretarial Staff, Mansukh ji, many of them, each and our Muftar Abbas, Naqvi ji, and many of them have did a lot to me, encouraged every time, pushed me. I will be loyal and faithful to my party, AIADMK, till my last breath, with the sense of gratitude and with pure confidence on myself. I part with that, saying that I will come back again to this August House.
Very good. God bless you. Sri A.K. Selvaraj, Tamil.